How to put a belt on a Woods L59 mower. The Woods L59 mower deck attachment, designed for individuals with large yards or pastures, mounts to the bottom of moderate to large tractors. Fortunately, since tractors rest high off the ground, you can lower the Woods mower deck to allow easy access to the belt system. This makes changing the belt a one-man task that you can complete in a matter of minutes. The only time you must replace the mower deck belt is when the belt shows signs of rotting, such as cracking on the V-groove side of the belt. Things you'll need: wrench set. Lower the mower deck to its lowest position with the PTO lever mounted on your tractor. The actual PTO lever location will vary depending on the tractor you use with your Woods L59 mower deck. Draw a diagram of the belt routing over the pulley system on the mower deck. This is important because routing the replacement belt incorrectly could result in a poorly functioning mower deck. Locate the idler pulley on the mower deck. Loosen the idler pulley bracket with a wrench. Do not remove the bolts. Loosening the pulley loosens tension on the drive belt. Locate the take-up assembly on the bottom of the tractor. This is essentially the pulley to which the belt mounts, extending from the bottom of the engine. Loosen the bolts that hold the take-up assembly in place. Again, do not completely remove the bolts. Remove the drive belt from the pulley system on the mower deck and from the take-up assembly pulley. Place the new belt onto the pulley system and onto the take-up pulley. Install the belt for your diagram. Tighten the take-up assembly bolts and then tighten the bolts for the idler pulley.